Oh no. I'm trying to understand this. Jackie, don't do that. I just started to do that again.
You're not making a snow angel. You're digging yourself in a hole. Are you ready to go outside?
As officials expected, but they are very much still in.
We're getting ready to take the trash over there to the trash can and take the kids out to go
and stay out of harm's way.
go play in the snow.
That means no walking.
And Jaxson is ready.
Chris Gildart, the director of Relax. We're not going anywhere. We're actually on at least to 8 o'clock tonight.
You're so pretty.
If not continuous coverage.
Where are you going?
Today. So.
Outside.
Outside.
I'm gonna make a snow angel.
You're gonna make a snow angel?
I'm gonna make a snow angel. We're gonna make a snow woman. That's the side.
So Daddy put down plastic when we come back. So let's go see.
Make a path.
Alright.
I'm trying to make you a path. I can't see. Mommy, I messed up.
Let's go see what the huh?
Mommy.
What's that?
Yeah,
You can do it like that.
Just so you get
Come, let's go out here. Come on. Come on, Gio. Go, Papa. Whew.
Back up, back
Go.
up.
Go, Papa.
It's supposed to be there. It's getting my eyes. It's in my eyes.
You guys ready?
Yeah, for a big job ever. Go inside. This is a big job. Hi, I'm Jason. Bigger than Jordan. It's terrible when we have glasses on. It's getting my eyes. This is hard workers. These little kids doing jobs. And this is my sister Destiny. Talk.
Alright, let's go see the real snow.
This is.
Look at this guy. Look at that. I can't see. Oh my gosh, I can't see. Look at this car right here.
It looks ugly with glasses on.
My husband was able to.
Hi, Jason. I can see well. I can see well in the blizzard. I can see white snow everywhere. Mommy! Oh no. I'm trying to understand this. Jackie, don't do that. I just started to do that again.
You're not making a snow angel. You're digging yourself in a hole.
Dig Destiny up.
Hey, don't cover her. No, don't do that.
Anybody cold?
Not me.
Okay.
I'm just stuck over
As long as you guys are okay.
Gia, keep your hands in your pockets, honey. Let me go check on my car. This car right here has no snow on it. He's a lucky one because he's sitting in between this high car and this high car. So he's not getting any kind of snow on his car. Lucky him. My car is right there. And lucky for me, no one parked here. So, yeah. So, look at this, guys. I don't even know if you can see it. But, yeah. Well, my car is buried. I don't think you can get out to the roadway. It's all white everywhere.
Mommy!
Yes?
Wait. Can you hold my Chelo? Cold.
Okay, put your hands in your pocket.
Oh!
See how high that snow is? It's high, just like my 4-year-old.
I have a child. I'm gonna solve a Mommy!
Yes?
I have a child. I think it's different. I think it's different.
Hey, do it over here on this side. Do it on that side over there. Yeah, let's go this way. See, babe, as fast as I clean it.
Can't even see anything.
Mommy, where's your car?
My car is over there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh.
And that thing. My husband is doing an amazing job digging out. The boys are over there playing with the neighbor kids. This is so fun. Yay, fun! Look how high this is, guys. Look how high. Oh, if you guys can see. But, and it's still falling, that's the thing.
Huh?
Gio is not having it.
You say it's cold.
He's not having it.
You say you're cold? Your
Your hands are cold?
You should give me your hand.
I'm gonna give him my hand warmers.
Yeah.
Come, here. Hold this,
Take his
Daddy.
gloves off. No, pink pocket.
Oh. Gio and I are in the car. We had to retreat to the car, right, Papa? Got some hand warmers, and we're warming up the little fingers. And Daddy is still cleaning off the car, the truck, just in case of an emergency and we gotta go out. But Gio said he was cold, right? Cold. Did you have fun though in the snow? Right? You're getting ready to go. You're getting ready to go in? You ready to go in? Had enough of this snow? So my husband's gonna finish cleaning off the car, and then I think he said he wanted us to go walking or something to see if the Harris Theater is open, and then huh? Yeah. So, and he was fussing. He wanted to go in. So my husband was like, why don't you put him in the car? So, yeah. So we're in the car. The good thing is my husband was able to clear out the entire surrounding of the car. So the exhaust back there is completely cleared. So so it's okay for us to be in the car. So always make sure that when you're in your car is snowed in, that your exhaust, the muffler, I think it's called, is completely cleared and it's not backed up, because then you're gonna be in a whole heap of trouble. You can actually die from being in the car when your exhaust is not completely clear. Like, you get what I'm saying.
Oh, not too fast, John.
Oh man! That's why I went to school. It was like half tomorrow. That's why I could see the sidewalk.
Jack! What's up?
Jack, I'm gonna take my hand out.
Well, don't touch the snow because you don't have gloves on,
I
okay?
need shovel.
Illy, don't do that, honey. You're gonna slide and fall and hit your head really hard.
Is it okay if I get near this?
Bless you.
Messy?
You guys like the snow?
Yeah. Is it okay if I get my pants messed?
What are you doing?
Pocket. You want some?
Is it okay if I get my pants wet? No, my pants wet.
What do you think, we're in the woods or something, that we're out here drinking
Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you mind if I get my pants wet?
Don't get your pants wet. We have a far way to
You're
go.
gonna get cold.
I didn't mind the snow.
I have to bring my sunglasses.
So, we are, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And
Daddy,
we're gonna walk.
when you're done, can I lose your gloves?
Ooh.
When you're
Please
done,
don't touch too much.
everybody-
Don't touch too much snow, because then your hands.
Don't throw that, don't throw that. So we're gonna walk to Harris Theater.
Be careful.
Come here, come here, come here, come
You gotta be careful with
here.
the cars, because they can't stop.
See, the cars can't stop from there. We're not going to be going out.
Oh, he out here in his.
Cars today.
There is cars today, honey. Don't get that illusion in your head. There's people out here. They're very adventurous, like your dad. If I wasn't on top of Daddy to stay home,
You got a little whiskey in you.
so I gotta go because you're evil, man. You're very evil. I gotta go because I gotta watch these babies.
Why am I evil?
Go, Gio.
Oh my god! I made it!
You made it.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
You can never get away from dog poop.
Where?
Right here.
Daddy, I made it! Daddy, I
I see.
made it! Look, get down. No,
Look at that, buddy.
I know how to get down.
Where's your hat?
It's on.
No, your sister.
Oh, I forgot it.
You forgot it? Put your hood on.
What?